I got it.
I'm trying to hold it.
Ooh, sweet.
Gentlemen, the wrap is here. The truck is here. It's time to try this. Never done a wrap before on a truck. We'll see how this goes. Mother Nature is not cooperating at all, as you can tell. So even though it's raining, I'm gonna give it a quick wash and then pull it inside, let it dry, and then we'll begin the process. This is gonna be a lot of work. Hey guys, please stop telling me to stop using this brush that I'm scratching my truck. This thing is as soft as your baby's butt. This is like, it's microfiber brush. It's not like a brush you find at a car wash. Very, very soft. Trust me, I'm not scratching my truck up. That's good enough for now. Let me get it in the garage before it starts really raining again, and then probably let this thing sit for a few hours and just make sure all the water drips completely out of it, because you don't want water on your vehicle when you're trying to wrap it. Or so I'm told. I don't actually know because I've never done this before. See you in a few hours.
2 hours later.
I've got my truck, I've got my wrap, I've got my Amazon DIY wrap kit, squeegees, blades. I got my magnets, and I got my little tool pouch to hold all this stuff. And you can pretty much say I know exactly what I'm doing. Oh, forgot, I got my isopropyl alcohol as well. I'm going to start with what I believe is going to be the easiest panel, the front fender. All I have to do is take this trim piece off, and that's it. I'll be good to go. The rest of the truck, I have the rear bow tie to take off, the ZR2 badges, the Duramax diesel badge up here, hood scoop looking piece, but door handle piece. There's a lot of stuff to take off. So I want to start nice and easy right here. The paint's good to go. So really all I have to do is make sure there's nothing on it, take my isopropyl alcohol to it, stick the wrap on. Now I'm not gonna hide the wrap color from you guys. I'm not gonna make the whole video black and white because that's pretty lame in my opinion. I hate it when people do that. Without further ado, some of you may have guessed this. It's nothing crazy. It is Nardo Gray. So I went with what I deem to be a pretty safe color. Chevy doesn't really offer anything like this in any of their models, I don't believe. I think this will go well with the black trim accents and the bronze wheels. I think it's gonna look really, really good. This is the extra 10-foot roll, I believe, in there. That's the big rolls in there. This isn't all of it. It's hot out. Getting somewhere very slowly. Well, day one was a struggle. I've obviously never done this before. Just kind of learning as I go. It's turning out decent. Tried to wrap the mirrors, tried to wrap the handles. Probably spent an hour on one handle and an hour on one mirror. And it turned out terrible. So I just figured, hey, black shouldn't look bad. So I plastered them black and we'll see. I might try to wrap them again at a later point, but for now, it's not bad. Like the Trail Boss comes with black handles and black mirrors, so it kind of makes sense. Fender, piece under the headlight, 2 doors are done. Day 2, moving on to the bed. Let's go. This is so much work. I don't recommend that anyone does this at home. Just pay someone to do it. The reason why it costs so much for you to get your vehicle wrapped in vinyl is because it's super labor intensive and it's very, very hard and very frustrating, and it takes a special skill. That being said, we're about halfway done. Tailgate done, doors, the pillars, all that stuff, thank goodness. Next up is the hood. We're getting there very slowly. I probably have probably like 16 hours in it so far. So much work. How'd that hole get there? Somebody cut a hole in my truck. Unacceptable. I told you guys I'd do it. You have not a clue where they go.
I do.
Oh yeah, where?
Like here or something.
Yes, right there.
No, remember?
I will give you the truck if you can figure out where they go.
Up here somewhere.
There you go.
Yeah.
But you said up here somewhere. That's
Yeah.
very
like
generic.
right there. That's how you keep that up. Not these big ones
So-
everywhere.
Well, that's it. That's all. All right, let's see it. Well, hot dog. Oh, about halfway done. What do you think?
Oh, sweet.
Day 3, like I said, got like 16 hours into wrapping about half the truck. Still have this whole side and the roof. Probably another like 12 hours-ish to go. Might as well just get started.